Welcome students. Question 3 of exercise 3. Find the value of k for which the given system of equations have no solution. 8x plus 5y equal to 9, kx plus 10y equal to 15. Solution 3 first. Given system of equations 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, equation number 1, and kx plus 10y is equal to 50. Here a1 is equal to 8, b1 is equal to 5 and c1 equal to 9. A2 is equal to k, b2 equal to 10 and c2 equal to 15. System of equation have no solution if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. 8 upon k is equal to 5 upon 10 does not equal to 9 upon 15. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15. From first two, 8 upon k is equal to 1 upon 2. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to k into 1. K equal to 8 to the 16. Hence, value of k is 16. Next question, question number 4 of exercise 3. Find the value of k for which the given system of equations have a unique solution. First, kx plus 2y is equal to 5, 3x plus y equal to 1. Solution 4 first. Given system of equations kx plus 2y is equal to 5, equation 1, 3x plus y is equal to 1, equation number 2. Here a1 is equal to k, b1 2, c1 5, a2 3, b2 1, c2 1. System of equation have unique solution if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. K upon 3 is not equal to 2 upon 1. K does not equal to 3 transpose to right side, 2 multiplied by 3. K does not equal to 6. Hence, the given system of equations have unique for real value of k except 6. Question 5 of exercise 3. Find the value of k for which the given system of equations have infinite solutions. First, 2x plus 3y equal to 7, k minus 1x plus bracket k plus 2 into y is equal to 3k. Solution 5. First, given system of equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Question number 1. K minus 1x plus k plus 2y is equal to 3k. Equation 2. Here a1 2, b1 3, c1 7, a2 k minus 1, b2 k plus 2 and c2 3k. Given system of equations have infinitely solution if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. 2 upon k minus 1 equal to 3 upon k plus 2 is equal to 7 upon 3k. From first 2 upon k minus 1 is equal to 3 upon k plus 2. Cross multiply. 2 multiplied by k plus 2 is equal to 3 multiplied by k minus 1. 2k, 2 to the 4, 3k and 3 into 1, 3. 2k transpose 3k to left side and transpose 4 to right side. Minus k equal to minus 7. Multiplying both sides by minus, we get k is equal to 7. From first and last, 2 upon k minus 1 equal to 7 upon 3k. Cross multiply 3k into 2. 2 multiplied by 3k. 7 into k minus 1. 6k is equal to 7k minus 7. 6k, 7 can transpose to left side. Minus 7k is equal to minus 7. Minus k equal to minus 7. Multiplied minus both sides, we get k equal to 7. From last two pair, 3 upon k plus 2 is equal to 7 upon 3k. Cross multiply 3 into 3k is equal to 7 into k plus 2. 9k is equal to 7k plus 14. 9k, 7k transpose to left side, minus 7k is equal to 14. 2k is equal to 14. K is equal to 14 upon 2. K is equal to 7. In all case, we find same value for k. Hence, from equation 5, 6 and 7, value of k is 7. If you find different value for k, then we can say that k has no values. Thank you, students.